Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove a picture channel on your YouTube page. Picture channels are a great way to promote your other channel video content creation. So let's get started. First thing, make sure you log into your YouTube channel. Tap on Customize Channel. Scroll down until you see the Sections option. Click on the Add Sections or Edit Section Contents button. You will see a search bar where you want to type in the name of the channel you want to picture. You can also search by their YouTube channel URL. Once you find the channel name, click on it to select it. After you have chosen the channel, click the Done button to save your changes and then click on Publish. Now you can view the channel. Scroll down until you see the picture channels. There you have it. If you want to remove a picture channels, open your YouTube channel again. Tap on Customize Channel. Scroll down until you see the section option. Click on the Edit Section Contents. Tap on a channel that you want to remove and then click on Remove Channel from Group. After that, click on Done and then click on Publish. Now you can click on View Channel. The picture channel is no more here that I have deleted recently. Okay guys, if you found this tutorial is helpful, subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.